Hello, Mary.
Hello, Peter.
How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm also doing well, thank you.
When did you come here?
I came 15 minutes ago. And you?
I came 10 minutes ago.
Where is your dad?
Why? What's up?
Oh, nothing. Just asking.
By the way, you speak English very well.
Thank you, but I don't speak it very well. I only know a little.
That's okay. I've just started learning English, too. I've downloaded the Learn English Daily app. It's really helpful.
Really? I'll check it out.
Yeah, it's great. You can find the link in the description below.
Thanks for the recommendation.
By the way, where is your sister?
She's not well.
Oh, that's too bad.
Where do you want to go?
I was thinking about going to Goa Beach.
Do you like beaches?
Yeah, I love being by the sea. How about you?
Absolutely. I enjoy it a lot. Are you afraid of water?
Not at all. It's a lot of fun. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like beach.
Okay, what would you like to drink?
I would like to have a glass of water, please.
When is your brother's birthday?
His birthday is next Monday.
What gift will you give to your brother?
I'm going to give him a bicycle.
Wow, he will love it.
Yes, I think so too.
All right, see you at his birthday party then.
Absolutely. See you there.